In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the exit ticket from lesson 12, from ratio tables to double number line diagrams. So it says that Kyra is participating in a fundraiser walkathon. She walks 2 miles in 30 minutes. If she continues to walk at the same rate, determine how many minutes it will take her to walk 7 miles. Use a double number line diagram to support your answer. So I've set up my double number line, and I notice in the miles I'm going to count by 2s, and in the minutes I'm going to count by 30. So every time I add a 2, I have to add 30. So I add a 2, then I add 30. So it's asking how many minutes it will take her to walk 7 miles. So in the miles portion of the number line, I have to find 7. Oops. Which is right here. Since I've broken up the top number line into 2 equal pieces, right here and right here, I have also broken up the bottom number line into 2 equal pieces, here and here. I was counting by 30s at the bottom. Remember when we made our number line, we counted by 30s. But now, if I split that 30 up into 2 equal pieces, I would be counting by a different number. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. So now instead of counting by 30s, I'm counting by 15s. So to figure out what value matches with the 7, I have to count by 15. 90 plus 15 is 105. So it will take her 105 minutes to walk 7 miles.